What's up, crypto world? It's Max from the Signal Bar Method. Want to do a video here. I said I was going to do a video yesterday, and my quick little video that I posted while I was not at my computer. Now I am at my computer, so I'm going to do a quick little video here on XRP. And just do a little update, just talk about things here. Let's talk about it. So I've got this monthly chart pulled up, and just really quick, I wanted to point something out. This is the 3-month chart on XRP right now. Look at this previous 3-month candle right here. Look at that. I'm gonna blow it up in case the quality isn't good enough. See this thing? It's like an inverse hammer, but it's sitting at the it's sitting down here. It's sitting on this 20 simple moving average. This blue line is the 20 simple. This orange line is the 8 exponential. This green line is the 10 simple moving average. So it goes 8 exponential, 10 simple, 20 simple, okay? So 8, 10, 20, right? And look at our moving average coiling up here. Just cross the zero line. We're obviously moving up. I don't know how much more obvious it could be for the people that are blind out there that can't see that XRP is going higher from here. And literally, it's literally been going higher since St. Patty's Day, like back here. Like literally, we've been going higher since St. Patty's Day. So this was a great time to buy some. This is where I bought a rather large chunk of it. I've been buying it for years, but I bought a rather large chunk of it back in March because I thought it was bottoming here. And where was St. Patty's Day? I bought it like right around here, like right in this area. Big ass chunk. Anyways, so back to the 3 months. So look at that 3-month bar, a little inverted hammer there, and then I'm going to go over to Solana, right? I think that's what it's called. Okay. Look at this. Look at this little inverted bar. After a red bar too. Like little inverted hammer. So why can't XRP actually not only get all the way to the top, which I fully expect, but why can't it break it and go even higher before the year's over? Because that's when the 3-month would be over. Look, this is the current 3-month bar in Solana. It can happen before the year is over. I know it's a long shot, but it can happen. I've been saying it can happen, and everyone wants to argue against me. But you know what? It's possible. It's definitely possible, okay? So let's adjust this. It's my kind of longer term target area. Anyway, so that's the 3-month. I'm gonna go down to a monthly now. And let's just look at how fucking bullish this shit looks. It looks so bullish, bro. So bullish. We're obviously, the 8 and the 10 have obviously crossed the 20 simple moving average right here. We have this long-term trend line that we've been just sitting on for months, just sitting on for like a year, basically. How many months have we been sitting on this? A long time. I mean, this is June of 22. We've been sitting on this trend line forever. Finally, the moving averages are crossing just like they did back here in 2020, 2021, took off. Now we have an even nicer and even better setup. We've kind of got like this tweezer bottom looking kind of bottom formation pattern here. We've got kind of like this little stub of a green hammer. We are about to break the high of October, which should send this thing flying. And another thing I'm going to say is, look, like, on the monthly, we've crossed the zero line, we've came back in, we're coming back higher. That's exactly what we did back here. That's kind of what we did here. If I go way back to 2017, I'm sure we did the same damn thing. You know, we come up above the zero line, actually comes down below it, and then goes. Kind of the same kind of thing we're seeing. So then I want to go like this, and couple of things. So 2017, like this is the type of move we saw in 2017. If we were to see the same move this month, it would be something like this. We'd be reaching somewhere like $2.63. But if we're just going to do a move maybe like this, like in 2021, which I don't see why we can't right now, be something like, that's a little bit off, I think. So close to that, so we'd be looking at like 210, something like that. So there's no reason we can't do that this month. I know it's going to be a battle at like 127 here. We might find some resistance at like 94, 93, 94, 95, something like that here. So I do have that drawn. I don't think the resistance is going to be very strong here. It's not like that strong of a trend line. It hasn't been tested that many times. It's like barely even considered. This is like not even really considered a trend line, but it is an obvious area. We go all the way back here, we come over, in this general area, we've played around with this general area around 93, 94, 95 for quite a while, but it's nothing crazy. So obviously it seems like this thing is getting ready to go. It's got the monthly setup. The moving averages have crossed the zero line. We've gone up above the zero line on the MACD, pulled back, getting ready to break out. It's like literally, it looks like 2020 and 2021, and you can just measure over here to when it started to go, and we're there. Like, it's starting this month. It's literally been going up since St. Patty's Day earlier this year, but like this, how much more obvious could it get is all I'm saying, is how much more obvious could it get? At the very least, we will most likely this month get up to here, around 93, 94. Unless they want to try and manipulate it down and do some crazy shit like they did back here in February.